Good morning, guys, and happy Tuesday. So today's Tuesday and I decided to vlog for you guys because you guys enjoyed my last vlog so much. I have a couple things to do today and I just thought maybe you guys want to come along with me, even though my days are pretty boring. But you guys love my last one so much, so I'm like, okay, I'm gonna bring you guys on with me today, and let me just get this day started. So yeah, I already woke up, I read my Bible, and I prayed. So now it's time for me to get my workout in. I'm doing a Pilates workout from Fitness Blender, and I'm about to do that right now. I just finished my workout, guys.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, Evie, Mommy, and Nova. Today, gonna be Sarius, Auntie, and Hallie, and Grandma, and sisters.
Okay. But yeah, guys, anyways, I finished my workout. I showed you guys a little bit of what I was doing for my Pilates, but I didn't show you guys all of it. After I taped that, I actually went and did my Fitness Blender Pilates workout. So now I'm finally finished. You guys should try it out because it's actually so good. Your bottom half works so well. Like, it gets a really good workout. And your buttocks, like your bum, will be on fire. Like, since I've been doing it, my butt has lifted so much and I love it. I actually just love it because when you're losing weight, sometimes you tend to lose fat places you don't want to lose it. So the fact that my muscle is finally, starting to grow there is amazing. So yeah, so now I'm about to just go and hop into the shower and yeah, get the rest of the day started. You all right, Nova?
Yep. Let's get started.
Oh my gosh. We literally just woke up. Look at Nova's mouth. Nova, your mouth is so dirty.
Yeah. I'm saying to my family. So,
Ew.
Mommy's going. I took a bath. I wiped my arms and my belly button. Mommy washed my butt.
I washed your butt?
Yeah. So, you can do like this. Not like that. I can stand on climb. Okay. Like that. Okay. Okay. Like that. Okay. So. Okay. So this is my Lily. You got her belly button.
I still have to shower, guys. I gave her a bath first.
Then why is that saying this?
Okay, so what do you think it's gonna be?
Boy.
Boy, okay.
Yes.
What do you think?
Boy.
Boy? What do you think?
Boy.
Okay, what do you think?
I don't know yet. I'm indecisive.
Okay, what do you think?
Girl.
Girl? Okay. What do you think?
Boy.
Boy?
Girl.
Girl?
Boy.
Boy? Okay. What do you think, Hallie?
Girl.
Holly thinks it's a girl.
I don't know.
And Nova, what do you think?
A girl.
Girl? Okay. All right, Jenna, what do you think you're having, a boy or girl?
I think it's a boy,
Okay.
but if it's a girl, I'll still be happy. But I hope it's a boy.
Okay. All right.
So how do I do this?
Just
You
pop
just pop it.
Just pop the black one?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. What?
What if you're having both?
No. No.
Okay. Go. Pop it, go, go, go.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, he's crying. I was right. Don't cry. Don't cry. We have a boy and a son. You're having a son, Jenna. I'm having a nephew. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. She's there crying. Aw, yay! I'm having a nephew! Woohoo! Nova, are you excited?
This skater may become the next great name in figure skating.
What are you doing?
I'm watching Grinch.
You're watching The Grinch?
Yeah.
Make your best Grinch face. Thumbs up if you think Nova has the best Grinch face right now. Thumbs up.
Oh.
Just vicarious thrill out of how the
Better.
behaves.
They kind of like enjoy seeing
Boo.
someone eat Christmas.
Boo!
Relate the
Boo!
Me.
Girl, you gotta come and get something to wear. We have to start the day. Come on, let's start. Girl, can we start the day? Okay, could you please get something in your drawer for you to wear?
Water.
I know it's water. Hello, could you please get something in your drawer for you to wear? Hello!
Alright.
Okay, get something for you to wear, please.
PJ Toes. Oh, my panty. Oh, my panty.
Okay, well, put your panties back. Get My Little Pony dress.
Okay, okay.
My Little Pony. I used to wonder what friendship could be. My Little Pony. Na 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 na. Kick it.
Okay.
Na 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 na. Ooh. Okay, girl, don't break it now. Don't break it. Woo! Good job, Nova. Okay, guys. So, this vlog has been very weird right now. So I don't know what day it is. This is probably just a weekly vlog because I've vlogged a lot of things. I'm just gonna put it in this video. So yeah, but I'm going to make chicken salad sandwich, but I'm gonna use almond bread. So I'm gonna make almond bread for you guys. You guys can see how I make my 90-second. Well, my sister's 90-second bread, because my sister used to make this a lot and she taught me how to make it, and now I make it. So I'm gonna tell you guys how I make this bomb chicken salad with hummus. I'm not gonna use, you guys are gonna see. Hold on. Okay, can you tape me, please?
Oh, sorry. How do I turn the camera?
Your job.
Oh, how do I turn the camera?
Oh my gosh. It is taping. What the heck?
No, turn the camera.
Okay, so this is chicken that I got from Metro. It's roasted chicken. I like their roast chicken a lot because it's already done and I don't have to think about making it. Where's my thumb? Okay, so I prefer to just use a roasted chicken already because it's roasted, and how bad could it be, right? It's not fried or anything, right guys? I mean, it could be bad still, but I mean, who knows? Anyways, yeah. Okay, so I take the chicken breast and I just chop it up. Now this chicken breast is cold because it was in the fridge, but I like my chicken salad cold. I mean, if you want to warm it up, you can, but I personally don't mind cold chicken salad sandwich. Jenna, do you like cold chicken salad sandwich or warm? Yeah, my sister likes cold too. I like it cold. Guys, comment down below and tell me if you guys prefer it cold or prefer it warm.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel.
No, it's not your channel. It's mommy's channel.
No, channel.
No.
Okay, so now I have the chicken cut up. Ooh. I'm gonna pour the chicken in here. Please don't fall on the ground. Okay, so remember that I bought the chicken from a grocery store called Metro. It's roasted chicken. You can buy your chicken if you want to. If you're lazy like me, you don't want to roast a whole chicken. You can buy your chicken, or you can just buy chicken breast and cut it up. I like to buy a whole chicken because I just think it tastes good and it's easy, and sometimes I just don't feel like cooking, so I just buy a whole chicken. And yeah, but if you want to just make your own chicken and like cut up your own chicken breast, you definitely can do that. It's all good. Okay, back to the chicken bowl. So to make it better and to make it more healthy, instead of using mayo, I use hummus. Okay? Hummus is a lot healthier than mayo. Right, Jenna? Okay.
Obviously.
I'm just making sure, because you know people in the comments I could be like, actually, there's only that one person, right? Okay, yeah. Mayo's a lot of cholesterol because it's made of egg. Okay, yeah. But this is hummus. This is just beans. You know, the chickpeas. So yeah. So this is the hummus that I use, and it says that it's about, how much is it again? Hold on. It's about 70 calories per 2 tablespoons. Okay.
You should have told me this.
I just like kind of eyeball it. So to me, that's like 1 tablespoon, maybe like a tablespoon and a half. And then I just basically just eyeball it, and I put to like how much I need, because I'm not going to be eating this whole thing anyways, right? So I just put it to how much I need, and I go by that. So yeah, I just put as much as I think that the chicken needs. Because I know I'm not going to eat this whole thing, so I'm not going to eat all of this hummus, if that makes sense. You know what I mean, guys? Okay. So now this is when I like to add my seasoning. So I add a little bit of onion powder to it. I eyeball it to make, like, just to see, like, you know, I don't know. I'm ghetto, guys. I don't know any measurements. I just eyeball my stuff to like how it looks in the, you know, the thing. Yeah. How much? I don't know.
How much you think it needs?
Yes. Thank you, Hallie. Jeez, I can't even talk right now. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I put onion powder. I put garlic powder. I like a lot of onion powder. I like a lot of garlic powder. I'm gonna put pepper flakes in it. I like it spicy, so I add a lot of pepper flakes. And that's a lot. I like spicy food. And I'm gonna put some black pepper. Not too much black pepper, because black pepper, not that it's spicy, but it just has a certain taste to it that I don't really care for if you put too much. Okay, so now that it's all in here, I'm going to just mix it up. Oh, another thing that I like to add too is a little bit of mustard, just to give it a little taste. So hold on 1 second. But yeah, I like to take a little bit of mustard. So I'm probably gonna take like that much mustard.
You're mustard crazy.
I love mustard.
I hate mustard. It's so sour.
You know what though? When mustard is like mixed with other things, it's not that bad. To tell you the truth.
don't like it at all.
Okay, so I'm going to just mix this around.
It looks actually really good.
I know, right? It actually is very good. Like one day I was like, oh, I want chicken salad sandwich, but I don't know if like I don't want to eat mayo, you know. And I know that some people use yogurt, so you could use yogurt as the mayo binding part for the chicken salad.
Yogurt?
Yeah, you can use yogurt. I have done that once before, and it tasted pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, but I've done this now with the hummus, and it tastes even better. So yeah.
This sound is so satisfying.
The sound ASMR. Okay, so Hallie, you try a little bit of it and tell me what you think.
Okay.
It's good, right? I knew it was good. I knew it was good. Come on. Make it. Okay. Alright, so I made the chicken salad sandwich. So now I'm gonna make the almond bread. Man, that's good. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna show you guys how to make my almond bread in a mug. So this is like 90-second almond bread, but I put it in there for 2 minutes. So yeah, okay. So anyways, I'm gonna take about a tablespoon of butter. That's a tablespoon, right?
I guess.
So yeah, I got the tablespoon of butter in the mug, and I'm gonna put it in the microwave just until the butter melts. Okay.
So she's just gonna microwave it. I feel like a baby. I'm like, microwave it. Okay, she's gonna microwave it, and then yeah, I'm just gonna show you the rest. Yeah. Okay, I'm done. A little commercial break.
Ow!
Oh.
Okay, we're ready. We're ready. Rolling. So now I'm just gonna put a cup of almond butter in this mug. Okay, it's like a cup of almond butter. I mean almond butter. Almond flour. What's wrong with me? I'm an almond flour. So now I'm about to take a little bit of baking powder. And I'd say I take like a teaspoon of baking powder. Eyeballing it all the way. Then you want to take 1 egg.
I love the way you crack eggs.
And you want to, thank you, Allie. And you want to crack the egg. Mix it around.
How did I know what you were gonna say? I was like,
Well, I don't even know.
Mix it around.
So as I see, I'm just going around with my fork, so like there's no almond bread stuck on the sides. Almond flour, sorry guys. Okay, and I just get the rest off of this fork. Don't mind my ugly ass finger, guys.
Oh my gosh.
Ew, I need my nails done, guys.
Is that what you're really thinking about right now?
Hell yeah. So it's gonna look like this. I know it looks hella weird, but trust me, it tastes good. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in the microwave for 2 minutes.
Okay guys, this is a commercial break. Guys, look at this awesome slime. And you know the person over here named Janelle, I call her Auntie J, so I'm gonna say Auntie J for the rest of this video. So yeah, so my Auntie J over here actually made the slime with me, and I got her to like slime because of this slime, and I showed her how to make slime, so she started to like slime. Isn't that right?
Oh yeah. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like when it's done cooking. I'm gonna flip it over. Oh, I flipped over by itself.
That never happens.
I know. If you miss bread, I'm telling you right now, I know it looks kind of weird, okay? I know it looks weird. It looks like it's not bread at all, and it's like in a mug in like 90 seconds, like what the heck? But I'm telling you right now, if you miss bread as much as I miss bread, you will make this almond bread, okay? Because it actually does satisfy your bread cravings. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let the bread cool, and then after it cools for a little bit, I'll cut it, and then I'll put the chicken salad inside, and then I'll show you guys the end product. Okay, you guys, so I cut it. It's still warm, but it was a lot cooler than when I took it out. So now I'm gonna add the chicken salad to our breads. I actually like using a mug because I feel like it kind of portion sizes it really nicely with the circles, you know. So I actually like using the mug. I'm just gonna put some chicken on here. So as you can see, I put the chicken salad on the breads. To add your own special stuff on it, I like to add a little bit of sriracha on top. I like spicy food, guys, so this is like heaven to me.
Whoa, I can smell it from here.
And I like to add just a little bit more mustard. Not a lot, but just a little bit more. Just for taste. I like mustard, so that tastes really good to me. And then this is like the messed up one because the top of it was the top of the mug, so it looks kind of weird, kind of like a muffin, right? And then this one would be like the perfect little bread sandwich. So look at that, you guys! This is the chicken salad! Tell me that's not pretty cool, you guys. In half. You see, guys? Look at that. It cuts pretty good too, right? Alright, I'm gonna try this.
That's our happy food dance.
I don't have the carbs on it. I don't know how much carbs. I don't know how much calories this is, honestly. But when I have it, because I know that I think the almond bread is like 200 calories. I don't know how much chicken I use exactly, but because I know that it's like healthy, I don't bother counting this. I make it often. I don't gain weight off of it. And some people don't calorie count at all, right? So I don't have the calories for you guys, but honestly, it is healthy. Way better than making a normal chicken salad bread sandwich with like mayo and like regular bread and all that stuff. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, but that's my chicken salad sandwich. So I hope you guys enjoyed this chicken salad sandwich video. It isn't keto, I don't think, because of the chickpeas, but it's really low in carbs. So if you want to give it a try, give it a try. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. I know this vlog is kind of weird. It's like, is it even a vlog? But but I'm happy to get it out for you guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Okay, I'll talk to you guys soon. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Okay, guys? Okay, bye.